Hello guys, a warm welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to remove the LCD for an HP ELITEBOOK Folio 1040 G3. First and foremost, you've got to remove all 11 screws at the back. This is the screwdriver used. So what you need to do is put your finger at the top of the lid and just lift up. Now, as you can see, there's two screws here. Remove these two screws. And then on the other side, remove the two screws again. Remove the cable from the Wi-Fi card. Remove it all out. And then pull up the screen socket cable. Lift it up. So now what you need to do is tilt the laptop and then keep moving the screen until it becomes loose and then it comes off. Now what you need to do is use a spudger, something like this. Put the spudger in between the bezel and slowly unpick the adhesive. It's going to take some time because the adhesive is very strong, so just work your way around the bezel like this, and then afterwards just put your finger in between the bezel here and just keep pulling it until it clips out, and then just slowly, be careful, slowly lift it up. Don't pull too much, otherwise you're going to break the bezel. So just remove it like this. You have to now remove 4 screws attached to the LCD. One here, the other one here, one more here, the last one here. So remove these 4 screws. What you need to do next is put your finger at the top of the LCD and slowly lift it up. There's an LCD cable attached to the LCD. Remove that, and now you can put your LCD replacement in.